Right now we are seeing, of course, a tidal wave of money going into AI. Nvidia, for example, recently became the world's most valuable company, albeit briefly. When you look at market caps like this, do you worry that we're seeing bubble valuations?
You know, I'm not a buyer and seller of tech stocks on, like a daily basis or anything. You know, these multiples aren't as high as they were, say, during the internet bubble, and the growth is real. I mean, AI is not pets.com. This is something very, very fundamental. So don't take my view on any particular stock, but the growth potential, there will be some big winners in this AI space, which is why you see all the leading tech companies, including Microsoft, putting tens of billions of dollars into not just the back-end capacity, but re-engineering their applications so that you're far more productive.
So you think that the excitement that we're seeing in these valuations is fully warranted by the potential?
The excitement we're seeing, absolutely. Any particular stock, I'm not really commenting on, but we're not out of control. We're seeing a fundamental advance as important as any in the history of digital technology.